Welcome to Learn English Day by Day. Grocery shopping.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Fresh Market.
Hi. This is my first time here.
Oh, I see. Let me know if you need help.
Thanks. Can you tell me where the fruits are?
Sure. They are in aisle 2, next to the vegetables.
Great. Do you have strawberries?
Yes, we do. They're fresh and on sale today.
That's nice. I'll take 2 boxes.
Anything else?
Yes. I need some bread. Where can I find it?
Bread is in aisle 4, near the dairy section.
Thank you. I also need milk and eggs.
You'll find them in the refrigerated section.
Okay. One more thing. Do you sell rice?
Yes, we have many kinds: white rice, brown rice, and jasmine rice.
I'll take 1 bag of jasmine rice, please.
Sure. Anything else?
No, that's all. Where's the checkout counter?
It's at the front, near the entrance.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too.